Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today we have a special episode full of useful technology life hacks that can improve your daily routine. Let's get started right away. Hack 1. Smart speaker as personal assistant. Did you know you can use a smart speaker as your personal assistant? Set reminders, ask about the weather, play music and manage your smart devices with simple voice commands. Hack 2. Screen recording on your smartphone. Want to record a tutorial or share your gameplay? Use the built-in screen recording function on your smartphone. It's convenient and you don't need external apps. Hack 3. Automatic text expansion. Save time typing common phrases or words with automatic text expansion. Set custom abbreviations that are automatically replaced with the full text. Hack 4. Use a double monitor setup. Increase your productivity with a dual monitor setup. Connect an extra monitor to your computer to work more efficiently and perform multiple tasks simultaneously. Hack 5. Smart thermostat for energy saving. Use a smart thermostat to control the temperature in your home. Program it according to your daily schedule and save energy by adjusting the heating or air conditioning automatically. Hack 6. Automatic backup in the cloud. Make sure your important files are safe with automatic backups in the cloud. Set up a backup service to make regular copies of your files so you will never lose them. Hack 7. Use your smartphone as a remote control. Replace your pile of remotes with your smartphone. With the right app, you can use your phone to control your TV, stereo, and other devices. Hack 8. Smart lighting with timers. Make use of smart lights with built-in timers. Set them to turn on and off automatically at specific times, which is useful for saving energy and creating the right atmosphere. Hack 9. Shortcuts on your computer. Speed up your computing with keyboard shortcuts. Learn the key combinations for copy, paste, undo, and other commonly used functions to improve your workflow. Hack 10. Use smartphone camera as magnifying glass. If you need a magnifying glass, you don't need to buy one. Just use your smartphone camera with the zoom function to magnify small details. And those were our 10 smart technology life hacks to improve your daily routine. We hope you got something new and useful out of it. Let us know in the comments which hack you found most interesting and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful content. Until next time.